What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today you guys are in for a very special treat. Number one, because there's some really awesome knives in this box sent by my buddy Harry Gage, who is currently my only Legendary Metal Knight on my Patreon. If you guys want to check out my Patreon, just follow the link in the description to head on over there. But anyways, he sent me some super cool knives to review, some stuff that I really wanted to get on this channel. And the other reason that this is going to be fun is because I left my tripod and my background in another location, which means I'm holding the camera like I used to do a long time ago. And I also only have one hand. So this is going to be interesting. I really hope this flows, but this is going to get uploaded one way or another. So let's move here. As you can see, Rainbow Steel making short work of this box. Considering how sharp this knife is, it's no surprise. There we go. We made it through. Just a couple of extra cuts there. So the rest of this is going to be done kind of by hand. We're going to have to make another cut right here. As you guys know, I am YouTube's best and most efficient unboxer. So this is probably the most entertaining thing you guys have ever seen, right? Okay. Anyways, let's get in here. All right, let's go ahead and start with this one here. As you can tell, this is a Cold Steel 8015 that I am struggling to get open. There we go. I'm excited to take a look at this one. Absolutely. Very, very cool. So, right off the bat, it feels it feels like it locks up incredibly tight. I am actually, now that I look at this, I just realized I have no idea how to disengage that lock. That's going to require some time spent with this knife. For anybody who's wondering, it does not feel quite as big as the 8010. I reviewed the 8010 already on this channel, excuse me, and it was huge. I was under the impression that this was about the same size. It's not. This is a much more reasonably sized knife. But because I don't know how to do it and because I don't have more than one hand, I'm just going to stop right there so I don't cut myself. Let's open up this guy right here. Now, you'll have to excuse me. This is a zipper case, so I'm having to hold the camera at an awkward angle so I can get it unzipped. Pull the pouch out of here. I don't know if all the pouches and everything is to the right knife. See, the key is when you're in a situation like this is to just keep talking, and I'm failing at that. Here I am going to have to, this is the safest way to do this so I don't mess your knives up. Oh, so this is the PMP Knives Beast. Oh, wait, not the Beast. Well, PMP Knives. Okay, so that's awesome. It's not the Beast. The Beast is that giant one that was kind of like, almost like novelty popular a while back, because it was so big, but I think it was out of its time. You know, it would have been a lot better. The Beast would have been a lot better in like 2012, 2013. This is it is PMP Knives. I can't remember the exact model. I'll tell you what though, right off the bat, it is a bigger, more hefty knife than I remember. Oh, here it is right there. The PMP Revenge in M390, number 158 of, what does it say? 350? This is really cool right off the bat. I love that. Of course, you know, any knife that has convenient access to the reverse flick and that's full titanium and kind of has some heft and solidity to it, I really like that. This feels really good, so I'm very excited to take a look at that one. We'll go ahead and leave that there. We have another box here, steel will box, that I'm going to attempt to also open with one hand without damaging anything. Yes. So, you guys probably can guess which one this is. This is the Steel Will Tasso. This is one of the rare occasions where the knife feels almost exactly how I imagined it. This is very interesting. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Just watching other reviewers talk about this knife and the lock, I just kind of guessed how that was going to work. It's interesting. That lock feels unique. It definitely feels interesting, but it also feels organic in the sense that, like, my hands understand how to manipulate it, you know, just from watching videos and not necessarily having ever handled it. This is very interesting. I am Very excited to talk about that one as well. I think that is it as far as the knives in this box go. Now, wait a sec. Wait a sec. Let's make sure here. I think Harry just did a really good job of packing this up and making sure they're solid. Yeah, I was going to say, I was only expecting 3. So, really cool there. These are 3 knives that I am exceptionally excited about talking about. I hope you guys are too. There are some more knives coming hopefully tomorrow or sometime this week that I'm excited to unbox as well. So this is going to be an exciting 2 weeks for my channel. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check that stuff out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.